Have you ever considered the possibility of setting up production areas with a minimal number of personnel? If not, then you have something to think about. We offer a ready-made solution from KDT Machinery, a fully autonomous drilling station designed on the base of KD-612KHSZA drilling center and the ABB robotic manipulator that handles loading and unloading functions. The automatic positioning system allows the robot to lift up to 3 PCS parts at same time, increasing the accuracy and machining speed compared to manual loading. This flexible solution allows to create a stable drilling station which may operate in 3 shifts. The machine is equipped with a protection fence and security system. For demonstration purposes, the protection fence has not been installed in this video. Stay with Stancomplect. My name is Denis Zugurovets. Let's take a closer look at how everything works.
On our website, you'll find everything for furniture manufacturing, from machines to tools and spare parts. Fast delivery and professional support ensure a successful start for your business. Contact us via messengers, links in the description.
The drilling station consists of the ABB robot, the worldwide popular KD-612KHSZA CNC drilling center, the KHC343S return conveyor system, and the KHL502 control system integrated into the control desk. To operate the station, you will only need one operator, who will work from the control panel. Their task is to start the equipment and monitor the station operation. All process is performed through the control unit, which is equipped with a PC on the base of Windows 10 and easy-to-operate software. The built-in robot controller ensures reliable equipment operation in 3-shift operation mode. The working program is user-friendly and easy to operate. It allows to control all machining parameters. The label scanner automatically recognizes a boring plan and sends it to the drilling machine. It is located directly in the infeeding area. This solution is perfect for companies which want to make their production more efficient while reducing costs. If during machining you find forgotten, rejected, or individual order workpieces, the manual loading mode is available through the KHC343S conveyor. After manual loading, the entire machining operation proceeds automatically, and the piece returns to the manual loading area upon the complete cycle. Workpiece sizes for manual loading are limited. Length from 250 to 1200 millimeters. The robot can load from the pallet in 1, 2, or 3 rows. If you use one piece in a row, the maximum length is 2800 millimeters. If there are 2 workpieces in a row, the maximum length of each one is 1300 millimeters. If there are 3 pieces, then the maximum length of each one is 800 millimeters. The width of a piece or pieces when using 1, 2, or 3 rows must not exceed a total of 1500 millimeters. The maximum length is 2800 millimeters and the width is 1200 millimeters. The minimum piece is 250 millimeters by 130 millimeters. The maximum pallet height on the line is 1100 millimeters. The correct positioning of workpieces is very important for robot loading. The robot is capable of simultaneous loading and unloading up to 3 pieces in a single cycle. The station loads, drills, and unloads in automatic mode without worker. Due to the fully automated process, once a new pallet is loaded, the station operates autonomously 90% of the time. This allows the operator to handle custom orders, for example, on the KD-612KHSZA drilling center installed nearby. This solution enables simultaneous processing of both serial and custom orders by a single operator. Let's talk about the KD-612KHSZA drilling center, which is a powerful machine for simultaneous drilling for workpieces from 6 sites. KDT drilling centers have great trust of furniture manufacturers due to their reliability and efficiency, which have earned their fame among productions all over the world. The machine operates with sizes from a minimum of 250 by 50 mm to a maximum of 2800 by 1200 mm, with panel thickness ranging from 9 to 60 mm. The dual gripping system allows it to move quickly and place workpieces automatically using the integrated alignment system. The grippers, drilling, and milling units move at speed rates of 140 meters per minute on the x-axis, 90 meters per minute on the y-axis, and 50 meters per minute on the z-axis. Due to such impressive speed rates, the machine is significantly ahead of the competition. The machine is equipped with 3 drilling groups, including 26 vertical and 12 horizontal spindles on top, as well as 9 vertical spindles on the bottom. 2 units used for milling. An ISO 30 milling spindle with a power of 5.5 kilowatts on top and a milling unit with a power of 3.5 kilowatts on the bottom. The upper milling unit is equipped with a tool magazine for 5 tools, providing more flexible options. This drilling station is a highly efficient solution for mass production. Its minimal dependence on human invention significantly increases the efficiency and precision of production processes. Thank you for attention. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss new video. Leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below.